Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making this quick recipe of scrambled eggs, and this is with a twist. I have used lots of vegetables in it and this is super easy to make and it's yummylicious. So let's quickly get started, and before that don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. So at first, it's quickly the preparation of the vegetables which I'm using. You can see I have used tomatoes, green chilies, and colorful bell peppers. I've used your yellow and orange because those are the ones which I had. So I will be cutting these vegetables, the bell peppers, tomatoes in small dices, and I'm just going to chop it up. I have also used some onions in it. If you want, you can use mushrooms, also any kind of sausage, bacon, chicken, any kind of meat, or any vegetables of your choice. This is what I had in my fridge and I have used all of them. So you can basically just use all the vegetables which are there in your fridge. So I'm done with chopping off all the onions and the ingredients. Now it's time to beat up the eggs. I'm using your 5 eggs. You can use as many eggs you want to. So now into the eggs, adding freshly grounded black pepper powder and some salt as per your taste. Adding little bit of milk to make it nice and fluffy. You can add half and half or even cream if you have it. I'm just making a healthy version of it. Beat everything up well into a nice and a fluffy texture. Now I will be cooking the scrambled eggs. So adding some butter in a pan, then some olive oil, and let it melt. Once the butter and the olive oil has melted, adding the chopped onions and the green chilies. Toss it for half a minute or so, and thereafter I will be adding all the other veggies which I have already chopped. Adding some salt as per your taste. Note that I have already added some salt and pepper in the eggs before. Tossing everything well for a minute or so, and then I'm going to add the beaten up eggs in the vegetables and keep the flame in low to medium and gently mix everything well together, cooking the eggs for around 2 minutes. You can see that it looks so delicious and colorful, isn't it? So the scrambled eggs, it's ready. It's a quick and an easy breakfast recipe, and you can also have it any time of the day. It's rich of nutrients and proteins. So friends, do try this recipe out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye-bye.